High visibility. 358 symbols tested in subject lines. What is a symbol? A symbol is a thing that represents or stands for something, especially a material object representing something abstract. Few symbols, if presented correctly in the subject line of your email, can play a critical role in the success of your open rates. Special characters should be used when they make sense. You do not need to stuff them in your subject lines. You should only use one special character per subject line and don't use them for every email. Using a star as a special character is interesting. The symbol of a black sun with rays gets good open rates when used in the right context. Trying new and unique symbols, such as an umbrella or an airplane, may also lift the open rates. Kick-Ass Emails tested the Unicode blocks, miscellaneous symbols, dingbats, and geometric shapes, as they provide some of the most appealing email subject line symbols. The key to improved open rates and high visibility subject lines is to insert only one symbol per subject line. Insert the symbol at the very beginning of your subject line as we read from left to right, and our eyes naturally focus on that direction. This way, the symbol stands out from the rest of the email subject line in their inbox and attracts the recipient to read your subject line first. This is how you stand out from the crowd with the use of symbols. Now, that in mind, you should not overuse symbols in your subject lines. Use them once in a while to stand out from the crowd. Too much of anything is a bad thing. And don't get your readers used to seeing symbols in their inbox, as it will dilute the effect and lead them to being overlooked. We've included a PDF document for you with our popular list of symbols in subject lines. It goes a little something like this. Just copy and paste the one you prefer into your email subject line.